Hello everybody and welcome back. Today for the stitch I'm going to show you, I'm going to use two colors, this beige one and the other is gray. You can make it with one color or you can add two or more colors of your choice. So now let's begin. Depending on how wide you want your project to be, you have to chain multiple of 10 plus 6 additional chains at the end. Here to show you, I'm going to chain 36 chains total. Okay, so I have here my 36 chains. Now let's start row 1. It's very easy. It actually consists only of double crochets. Yarn over. The first double crochet we're going to make in the 5th chain from the hook. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Go in the 5th chain and just make one regular double crochet. And then make one double crochet in each chain. And this is the first row. Now let's move on to the second row. Chain 3 and turn. Now we have to start here from the first stitch, not this one here, the next, with 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch we're going to make 1 double crochet, then chain 3 and another double crochet in the same stitch. This is how it's looking. After that, chain 3 again, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, in the 4th stitch, 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And from here, we have to repeat the same steps. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, in the 4th, 1 double crochet, chain 3, and another double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, in the 4th, 1 double crochet followed by 2 more. Okay, repeat the same steps and I'll wait for you at the end of the row. So you need to end the row with 3 double crochet. The last one is here in the chain stitch. Now let's start row 3. Chain 3 and turn. Again, we're going to start from the first stitch, this one here, not here, with 1 double crochet and then another in the next stitch. From here we have to start building the bows. The first half of the bow is going to be around the first double crochet. So what we need to do, we're going to work around the post of the double crochet, so I'll just turn it like this to be more comfortable to work on. Yarn over, go below the post of the double crochet, pull up a loop. We need to repeat this total of 6 times, so we have 1, yarn over, go around the stitch, pull up a loop, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From here, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through 3 loops, this one and 2 more. Yarn over, pull through another 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through another 3 loops. One last time, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and the last time we're going to pull only through the remaining 2 loops. So you have 1 time yarn over, pull through 2 loops. The next 5 times you're going to yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and the last time we're going to yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Okay, now when you turn it this way, you can see the half of the bow. Now we're going to work here in the chain 3, around the chain 3 from the previous row. We're going to make 3 double crochets there. 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, and then another 3 in the same space. 1, 2 and 3. And now we need to make the same around the second double crochet. Turn it like that, and let's start. First we have yarn over, go below the stitch, pull up a loop 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then we'll just start with yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, that's the second time, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, third time, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 4, 1 more, 5, and the last, pull through 2 loops. And this is the bow. Now from here we continue with 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. And then we move on to the next bow absolutely the same way. Let's do one together. Yarn over, go around the stitch, pull up a loop 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 2 more times, and then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Turn. Here we have 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1 and 3 more. And from here continue with the second half of the bow. Then you have 3 double crochet here above the ones from the previous row. And this is how it's looking so far. Now what is left here is to show you how to finish the row. It's with 3 double crochets in the last stitches. Here we have one in the last stitch, and the last double crochet is here in the chain stitch at the end. Okay, this was row 3. Now, for those of you who will be using more than one color, it's now time to change to the second color. I'm just going to insert the gray yarn, and I'll finish the last double crochet with it, and I'll just chain 1 to secure the yarn. Then for the row we have chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, turn, and now we're going to start again with 2 double crochets. Here one in the first stitch and another one in the stitch next to it. From here chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now we're going to work here in the little chain space in the middle. We're going to make 1 double crochet, then chain 3, and then another double crochet in the same chain space, like this. Chain 3, and then 3 double crochets here above the double crochets from the previous row. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 again, and then the same as here, 1 double crochet, chain 3 and another one. Okay, repeat the same steps until you reach the end of the row. Now you have to make 3 double crochets here, and now finish the row with 3 double crochets at the end. 1, 2, and the last one is here in the chain stitch at the end. And from here you need to repeat rows 3 and 4 to build the stitch. It's very simple, it's only 2 rows repeat, so after row 4 you go back to row 3 and follow the steps there. With chain 3, turn, then we have 2 double crochets at the beginning, and then we're going to work the halves of the bow here around the first double crochet. Then we have 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet around this chain, and the second half of the bow is around the second double crochet, absolutely the same as row 3. And this is the stitch. It's very simple, very easy and very beautiful. It can go well on any kinds of projects, blankets, scarves, clothing, you can decide for yourself. Let me know down in the comments what you'll be making with this stitch, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.